Those who have watched my previous videos must also have known a type of Sashimono, fine cabinet making, in traditional Japanese woodworking. Today I'm going to show you something new and more detailed, based on the respective surveys in 4 prefectures of Kanagawa, Kyoto, Nara, and Osaka. Objects defined as Sashimono usually consist of small cabinets and boxes made by assembling different pieces using joinery techniques. The Japanese separate fine cabinet making has 3 types: the assemblage of boards only, boxes, chests, boards and posts, shelves, low tables, and posts only, traditional lamps. The following 4 production centers were surveyed. 1. Kyo Sashimono, Kyoto-style fine cabinet making. The distinctive feature of Kyo Sashimono is that it includes a great variety of different objects. As tea ceremony utensils make up an important part of Kyo Sashimono, the guild also admits turned objects, carved objects, and bent work to be part of the guild, provided the artifacts are to be used in an artistic context. The wood species particularly appreciated for use in tea ceremony utensils are paulownia, Japanese cedar, and Japanese mulberry, in addition to many other wood species. Two. Osaka Karaki Sashimono, Osaka-style fine china wood cabinet making. The field of Osaka Karaki Sashimono differs from the Kyo Sashimono not only in the use it makes of tropical hardwoods, but also in its techniques. Although wood species and methods used hark back to fine Chinese cabinet making of the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1662, Osaka-style fine China wood cabinet making has been practiced since the 15th century and has thus been an integral part of traditional Japanese woodworking since its beginnings. Three. Nara Sashimono, Nara-style fine cabinet making. Nara Sashimono, although not represented by a specific guild, is comparable to Kyo Sashimono. The representative craftsman who works independently in the city of Nara was commissioned by the treasure house, Shosoin, to make replicas of pieces in its collection and to manufacture furniture for use in the collection's annual exhibition. Four. Hakone Yosegi Zaiku, Hakone-style wood mosaic. Hakone-style wood mosaic is not considered to belong to the Japanese woodworking fields mentioned previously. Its artifacts are made of a great number of fine-grained wood species, which are chosen for their colors and assembled to form a pattern. The patterns are shaved from a large block and then glued onto a box or small cabinet. Because the base boxes have been assembled, they are treated here as examples of Sashimono.